out there in Mathland? Hope everyone had a very enjoyable day. I definitely think we had a successful day. We're recording live during math, so that's the excitement you hear in the background. Volume is exciting. Sometimes it just really gets us going. We're getting into lesson, what number?
5.
We're getting into lesson 5 right now. And what is our learning objective? Well, I have two guest teachers. What's your name? Keira and
Dylan.
Awesome. Thanks for helping us today. And what are we working on in today's lesson?
Using multiplication to connect volume as packing with volume as filling.
Oh. We're using multiplication to connect volume as packing
And filling.
Interesting. We are going to be doing like kind of a hands-on experiment tomorrow in class, and we're going to be connecting liquid volume with solid volume, and you all are going to do a word problem?
Yes.
Should we be scared?
No.
No.
Pretty easy.
It's pretty easy. Pretty easy word. Okay, good luck. Let's take a look.
Hello people, and today we are going to be doing
lesson 5.
Yay!
Okay, so we're doing problem 2. A beaker contains 250 milliliters of water. Jack wants to pour the water into a container that will hold the water. Which of the containers pictured below could he use? Explain your choices. So let's do this one by one, and then we'll cross them out as we go. So for A, so I'm just going to tell you a secret. 1 centimeter cubed is the same as 1 milliliter. That's the secret of success in this lesson. And then we all know that volume is width times length times height, right? Okay, so then over here we're going to start with 12 times 12 for A. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. Cross off 2. Gotta drop a 0 because that's a 10. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1, okay? Oh no. Okay, so 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 0 is 1. So that's 144. Then we have to do 144 times 6, because there's a 6 here. Oh no. Okay, 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 4 again is 24, plus 2 is 26. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 2 is 8. 864 is not anywhere close to 250, so let's just put that out of there. Oh no! Sorry, I accidentally did that. Let's draw it again.
Okay, I'm going to be doing this one right here. Okay, so the answer for this one was, wait, what was it?
You just want to let it go. You had so much fun.
Something. Okay, oh no, I did not mean to make that. Okay, so, alright, so the answer for A was 864, so that was not it. Cross that out. Alright, so let's do B. So 20 centimeters times 12 centimeters. So 20 times 12. Okay, so 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 2 is 4. 40. Cross out the 2. 10 times 0, you automatically have to put a 0 down here because it's in the 10 spot. And then 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 2 is 2. Okay. Add those together. 0, 0 is 4 is 0. And then 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus nothing is 2. So this is not it. E is not it. So
Secret word is
Shadow's Pizza. Okay. Alright.
Okay, I'm back for C. So here we're going to do 5 times 2, because that's easy. 5 times 2 is 10. 10. And 25 times 10 is, okay, so 25 times 1 is 25, plus the 0 is 250, which is what we were looking for all along. So you can see it here.
Yeah, because you're
So
both
C is the
pretty,
answer.
like, already large numbers together.
And then we don't need E or D.
Yeah, we don't need those. Okay, so thank you.